Hi guys.
Hi, nice to see you again, and today we'll bring this video to you. We want you to watch this video and you will like it. See you in the video.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Don't forget.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Champions, and as you guys know, my name is Miracle Champion. So I don't want this video to be long, so I'll quickly go straight to the point. So if you guys check my previous videos, you can go back and check my previous videos. If you've not checked, go back and check so you will know what I'm talking about. Anyway, this is my wedding bouquet and I made it myself, and you can do that too. When I actually went to those people that actually make bouquets, and I asked them, I want a drop bouquet like this, and I wanted it to be pure white with a touch of green, and then a lot of them were calling high money for me, and I was like, okay, is it not me again? I can do this. So getting straight to the point of how we came about this, so I went to the store and I got the flowers. So it comes in 2 stems, it comes in 2 bunch, so I bought the 2 bunch. Yeah, I bought both. I bought 2 bunches to achieve this. So what you do, just so I got the 2 bunch. I folded the first bunch. I did not take out anything from the first bunch. I just made sure that I tie it. I make it very tight so that here can form this frame. This up part can form this frame. Then I now took the second part, the other bunch. I had to pieces the other bunch. I had to remove them one so that I can form this part of the flower, and I attached it. After attaching it, I tied it. I used my sellotape to make sure it's very strong. As you can see, this bouquet is very strong. If you check this place, you see where I twisted it. So I had to twist it to come for this shape, for it to give me this shape. And after that, after using my sellotape, I had to use my white tape. Just go to any store where they sell tailoring material, you see your white tape. I used my white tape to wrap it, and it was very long. So what did I do? Very easy. In between this flower, we always have iron inside. So what you just need to do is just keep twisting it, and it will fall off. So I had to make it short because I don't want a situation whereby I'll be holding it and then it will be like this. The distance for me will be too long, so I had to make it short and then wrap it. Hi guys, sorry to cut you guys short. I'm sure you were enjoying the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you, we love you guys. Bye. It and covered it with my ribbon, so you can just go to any store. It's really affordable. Just go to any store, you wrap it, and then you can use your candle gun to just seal it up. And that was how we made this beautiful cake. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more DIY videos. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Yes, and you have so much to share, right? Type into the comment section, and don't forget to like, to share and subscribe so that we'll keep bringing interesting videos and interesting topics like this to your way.